Good morning. Welcome to the live, guys. I'm back again. I'm back. We are trading gold. Let me just bring up my chart. Let's bring up the um price looks really currently price is bouncing off a resistance here. So I do think I'm actually waiting for it to break here. So I'm waiting for that break if I can get a break here. Then I'll take a quick scalp to this area. Let's see. Where is it? However, it is consolidating now. Welcome to the live. Welcome to our live. We are live in the building. Okay, I started the live a bit early. I normally start at past. It was NFP today, so let's just run through the straight setup. Um, let's go start with the 4 hour. We can see currently that the market is in an uptrend, right? So we can see basically this price came all the way up and tapped twice into the zone here at 2850 right here. And then we can see price started making higher highs, and then it tapped into my supply zone, the zone right here. You can see it's tapping twice into my supply zone, but this is actually consolidating. I do think though, because it touched here, based on structure, these three touches, like price came up, retest this area, and then started pushing down. Then it came up again, retest. So that's a triple top. So that means we are due for price to. I do think it wants to come all the way down. Yeah, that is the outlook of the market on the 4 hour. Therefore, I am looking on the lower time frames um, for sales, for sell opportunities, even though we are in a overall bullish market uptrend. We would see what the, let's just check what the today what news did this week here is it was part of the news this week. So price retested our zone, supply zone, came back and even broke this low, but then came back again. So that's the reason why I'm waiting now for price to basically um, to break below. Then I will know whether price is going to continue or not. So I'm trading off this zone or the support currently. Yeah, if price break the support, then I'll take that setup to the next level. On the 15 minute, it looks a bit as if the market is turning into wanting to move all the way up. But I don't follow the 15 minute for structure only. I also look at the 1 hour. And as you can see how this candle closed here, it will be interesting to see at 7 what's going to happen when this candle closes the 1 hour candle. So yeah, let's just give it some time. I'm just waiting for the setup to present itself. But like I say, I am looking currently for bearish momentum to come in after this consolidation. So as soon as it breaks there, we can expect price to continue down, like I said, to all the way there. Like I explained to you what my outlook is based on the 4 hour. Welcome to the live, guys. Welcome to the live. And ladies. Oh, okay. For now, I won't be able to see who's live here with me, but I can see 3 people are watching. So we're looking at gold currently. I'm just waiting for that break. Let me share this in the group. So this week here, we see the week we're seeing here is the week of of NFP. We can check NFP moved around almost 100 pips. No, wait. Oh, I see price is now starting to move up. Let's see. I just want to wait until the candle close now. It is still early, so I normally just look at price here at 7. We are in a consolidation, so I do expect price um to just move between these areas here. Um, it will be interesting to see. Maybe price is just coming to retest this week and then it start dropping. But I am looking to sell though. All depends on where the candle was close now. Okay, we are seeing like the momentum is slow. Let me just check something. It was NFP as you can see this morning. Also, this consolidation. There was not much movement. Um, I mean, price moved from 291 to 2912. Okay, 2921. I mean, 2921 to 2912, and then it shot up, bounced from the support area. Let me just bring this to. We are bullish, so but this is a major key area at 2930. So it's a high, and that's also a key level because as we can see, we price did not break past it in from March 4th. All right. Okay, so let's wait to see how this candle is gonna form. I am thinking it's gonna break through here. Then we wait for retest. Okay. Hi, Pazira. Welcome. Sorry if you see me watching this side. I'm streaming, so I am also using the other monitor. So we're waiting now for just for the break here. Okay, so you can see price did not break yet. Oh, forgot about my coffee. I hope your days have been good. I hope you didn't trade during the NFP news. And you were not in the market by that time. Unfortunately, I wasn't. Not unfortunately, actually, fortunately, because I don't even trade news. So, but yeah, the news events are crazy. Look at this week here. This week would have many people probably thought that it's gonna buy based on the structure, and I am sure a lot of people lost money today with this week, because this week did not just week you out, and it came to retest these lows here and then it shot up. So that's the reason why I stay out of the wait. I rather wait for when the news are done, because I mean you could have also entered here at once this candle was done printing. That is a bullish candle. Then that is an indication that bullish momentum is in came into the market. Also, this is a strong morning star pattern. It indicates reversal to the upside, meaning that momentum will now continue to the upside. So that was more than enough confirmation. But if you gotten in around the year, then you were screwed with this week, because NFP just wicked out all of these. And then after the NFP, you can see we got another sell opportunity because it tapped into a previous this blue the supply zone. So this was a nice trade as well if you were in at the market that time. Stop loss just above the body of that candle, and then you could have ride it all the way down. So yeah, the market gave some nice opportunities to trade, even though it is in a consolidation. These setups I called liquidity grab setups, but you cannot just go based on the 15 minute and then want to enter. You need to start with the 4 hour, 1 hour, and go down to 1 hour to understand the market's overall market structure. Because you get major market structure and then you get the minor structure, structure within structure. So as long as your higher time frames aligns with your what you see on the smaller time frames, you need to be backed up with the higher time frames. I always say we listen to the higher time frames before we execute on smaller time frames. Hi, Lofi. I love to see the woman also joining and wanting to trade. It's possible. It does take a lot of perseverance. And as a female, I think we are far better at following instructions. Um, yes, it's a male dominant industry, but if you put your head down and you put your mind to it, you put in the work, we can also we can also be successful in trading. It's not a career just for men. That's just my opinion. Like I learned from men. I learned how to trade from men. And I was teachable. What I now noticed, like in the academy, what I noticed was the men are are not always so teachable. They want to add their own things, they want to do tweak and do this and not following instruction. But the ladies that in my mentorship, like I'm so proud of one of my ladies. She took a try today on her own this morning, London says, and that's before news and all that. And she made money all on her own by using what I taught her. But she was from the beginning, she was always disciplined to follow, to learn, to understand, committed. She's still committed. And I'm proud of her to see that she can trade on her own. She can take setups on her own. Following what we have a system, we don't have to change the system, stick to that one system. That's what I believe. Okay, looks like maybe that red candle is going to break our zone or the support. This here is a support area. I'll just draw these box around the wicks here to indicate to myself how far this last week here before this messy week came. So I'm just looking at just to see how the behavior of these candles, and based on the behavior, I will make my decision whether I'll get in. But obviously, I'm waiting for the break and then the retest before we go to 2896. I do think price wants to go there tonight still, but it's all up to the market. If you join us now for the first time, we're looking at gold. We're trading gold live. Not in a trade yet. Still waiting for the setup. Let's go, gold. I must say the momentum is not so, but I like it when gold is also not too crazy. Because when it's starting to wick too crazy, then it's difficult to see the entry from. But with gold, you can also not be scared to enter. You need to plan where your entry is going to be. For instance, for me now, I'm just once I see my entry will probably be right here, but obviously on the on a retest. So once it gives me a weak rejection there, I will be in the trade. I won't still hesitate because I've been planning this trade now since 6 o'clock, right? I've been analyzing and trying and waiting for price to come if it's going to present itself now. So with gold, you cannot just still hesitate. You need to know for sure where your stop loss is going to be. If it hits your stop loss, it hits your stop loss. Like just plan properly. Don't go in with a high lot size that if it hits your stop loss, it blows your account. Then that's not proper risk management. Now, it's easy to say that use proper risk management, but how do you do that? You have to figure out your like your risk management is I think it's so personal because my risk plan will not necessarily work for you. I can give you guidelines like make ensure that you have a proper stop loss, that your stop loss is according to structure because you can't also now have a stop loss that is too close. For instance, your stop loss is now here and you expect now to when you enter there that price will not pull back until no, you must give it proper space, but it can't be too big also for you to be stopped out. You also need to give it a room. I always say give your stop loss some room. um, Now that is not easy. I mean, if you are a beginner, many times you see people trade live or you see a mentor, someone is making big like 10,000, $5,000. They have bigger accounts to handle the drawdowns. So they stop loss distance from the entry. It could be far like you a stop loss that is like yeah, and they can handle that. But you having a small account, you won't necessarily be able to handle that. Your account might be blown, and therefore you have to plan your trade. That's why I say that's what I mean. Make sure that you don't just get in. It must make sense for the risk reward also. So for like for instance, now I'm waiting for this break and then I'm waiting for retest. But if this does not make sense to me, like here I can see it's if I get in here and my target is it's 1:3 risk reward, right? So I'm risking 37. That's 37, 38 pips. That's too big. 22 pips if your stop loss is there. 72 pips. You can never have a stop loss that big with gold. Um, but it also depends if you can. I know of swing traders who have a stop loss of 50 pips and then they go for 150. You know, then it's still 1:3 risk reward. But then you get scalpers like myself. Sometimes my stop loss is like 22 pips and I would go for a 80 pip, like 80 pip target, then it's still a 1:3. You get what I'm saying? So there's different you can your account cannot always handle the big stop loss. But there's ways how you can work around it. I'm just trying to show you how a stop loss does play a role in when you enter, how far that stop loss is from your entry will definitely determine whether you will sit in that trade. And most of the time, we are fearful in a trade when we see the red because your stop loss is too big for your account. It might not be big for structure, but it's too big for your account. So how did you determine your stop loss? So that is a something that you need to. I mean, I can go in deeper with that stop loss management. It ties in with risk management. Hi, yeah, welcome here. You are on the live. I see you. I want to react, but I can't react here. Oh, it's starting to break now. We're starting to see a break. If you only joined now, I already explained my thoughts. Why I'm looking for a quick sell, and that's the area I'm targeting currently. Um, this is the week that NFP made the news came out here. This week was during NFP. Okay, so price is just now. It's you see this consolidation here. These weeks are just rejecting off the support. So it might not break, and then let me. I just want to see where it's gonna end at one at 7, because we are in this demand. This is actually a demand zone with these weeks, right? So on the higher time frame also. However, I'm just looking to see where the price will give us a break or not before I look for my buyers. As you can see, this was a major previously. This was a break-in structure. This move started here, all the way up, came down, retested this at the top, tapped into a 1 hour supply, and then here we are now. So yeah, let's see. Yes. Yeah, I don't really mess with the market when it's NFP day, but it's good to look at the market to get a feel for what the market is doing. Like I explained earlier, like for people who was buying here before this week happened, they all got stopped out here with this long week, and then it moved up, and then it tapped into the supply here. This was another setup all the way down, all right, and then now it's currently here. It still has a chance also to do this, guys. But I'll rather wait for the 1 hour to confirm that. Not just based on one candle, you know. Yep. Currently I'm still bearish unless we see a structure break happening, but I'm still berries on my bias. This candle has like 9 minutes left for this candle before it will close on the 1 hour. So I'm just gonna wait for that 9 minutes to see what's gonna happen quick. Okay, let's see. I just have to wait. I have to be patient now. We have to be patient, guys. Guys and girls. Hi, Marlon. No, I didn't trade NFP today. I don't trade news. I don't trade NFP also. I do apologize if you see me looking this way, but my laptop is this side and I'm streaming, so my other screen is on this side. I'm just checking now. It's 5 more minutes, then this 1 hour candle will close. Then we will start seeing, we might see a bearish break. If it breaks this low, current low here, I will look for retest right here. And then I'll get in. Oh, welcome, Eldred. I see you are also here. You just joined us. So this is the week that NFP made this week here. I do think Price wants to fill this week. So I'm just waiting for this break here at this low in a retest at that area. I have a bearish bias based on the 1 hour. So I'm also now looking for the 1 hour candle. If we can get a, you see there, if we can get that 1 hour to close below these, I think price wants to fill this gap here. Wants to fill here because that was where it previously broke out on gold. So let's wait and see. It's almost 3 minutes to 7. Then that 1 hour candle close. The gold is just now consolidating after that. It's consolidating after the news, so it's either going to sort up hard, but I doubt it. I think it's making ready to drop. After this consolidation, we can expect a hard drop, I think. Let me just check the 1 hour quickly. Oh, so on the 1 hour, it didn't really close the way I would. You see, I'm not convinced with this. Because this week now, it's rejecting off this support here. And it's been 4 weeks. Week. It's too high though. However, our next candle might be the breakout candle. Um, I do think it wants to even come lower than this area. That's low 2894. However, I'm just gonna do a quick scout when it breaks here. And we're targeting 2900, 2900 here. So let's see. It would be nice if we can get a solid break on the 15 minute. We check on 5 minute. No, five. Also just consolidating. And thus, the way this 15 minute, this doji here, no? It looks like it wants to create this pattern, morning star pattern. So I'll check now if this candle closes like bullish with a body bigger than this candle here and half of this candle. I'm not convinced that we're gonna get a break soon then. Because it looks like it's rejecting of the support now. But I like to watch it just to see what's gonna happen though. We know after NFP in the market is crazy. It's trying to find its feet. And I think I've by experience on Monday, the market's gonna move crazy in the London session. It might be better to trade the New York session on a Monday after NFP. Because here in London session on a Monday after NFP, the market is trying to find structure again, coming back to the previous areas where price broke up. Because now all these big bankers, hedge fund managers, those who placing the orders, they are waiting for their key levels. That's why we will see your key levels. If you have drawn your key levels will not be respected so much during news. That's why your stop loss management is important there. Because we know by now if when gold, the price of gold is weakening, giving us crazy wicks. We know the kind of manipulation we see on gold. Sometimes with the wicks. If this is the candle, then this is going to be a beautiful. Oh, this. Look at this. So I'll even say then the stop loss can be based off here if we can get this candle to close. If we can get it to close about below here, 29, all the way down to 2912. Come on. So Marlon, did you trade NFP today? And how was NFP to you? I was definitely not in the market at the time. Yeah, no, consolidations is never it's never good for the strategy to trade consolidations. We need to see price at least moving in momentum. And currently there's the momentum is low. All we are currently seeing is just consolidation. Hi Peter. Yeah, gold looks like it's just consolidating, but maybe it wants to break it half past. Maybe give it some time, 15 minutes, 1 5 15. I am seeing that morning star pattern come starting to print. We are in at a strong support area, so price taking its time before it's breaking. But once we have the break, there's definitely more liquidity here to grab. This line is just based on my 4 hour structure, blue line. But I do think price wants to come in full this week. See on the 5 minute. Just consolidating, zip, 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 zip. On the 15, this is how it looks. So here is a previous supply. Tap into a previous supply here. Check on the 1 hour. You see it's a strong bearish though. So structure is bearish on the higher time frame. Therefore, I'm also looking to sell. And I am thinking price wants to fill these gaps still here. That's weak. So hence I have a bearish bias. So let's wait and see. Maybe we get a break now. Uh, Okay. Alright, the break just started now. Mhm. Yo, I think this is going to be a quick. The market is gonna move very quick. It's gonna come back to 2911.8 right here. That's when I will enter my stop loss once it is supposed to be up here, so I don't like it. I might just wait for it to come a bit back because my stop loss needs to be at least above this. First TP is 295. Beautiful. So I'm checking now on the 5 minute. First TP 295, second TP 290. Once it comes back, I'll just want to see where this 5 minute candle is going to drop. Stop now. I'm sorry. Let's wait for this candle to close. That 5 minute candle. It's 10 seconds. That's already showing us that momentum is coming into the market now, the bearish momentum. Okay, I'm getting ready to enter as soon as I get a pullback. That's good. That was a 15-minute candle, guys, actually. Look at that. So we have a nice break now. Price is going to drop now. Okay, we waited for the break and the break happened now. So now I'm just waiting for it to pull back. Strong drop, eh? Yeah, right. It's NFP. Like, I know this. I've seen this before. But that's just more confirmation for us for our buyers because now the momentum is in the market. You can see that current break here is a very strong break because it's breaking previous lows, even here below. It even moved below this low. So it's just confirming that price wants to go lower. So now all we're waiting for it to pull back a bit and then we enter. If you in this trade, you are good. But I'm waiting for my for it to pull back. Even went to my TP1, almost close to my TP1. TP1 is here. Come on, it's coming back now. As soon as it taps into the zone, or retesting this to 911, I will get in. Like if you want to get in here to 911, it's also a good place to get in. I'm waiting for it to come back to my two here, right here. Let's see. It's waiting, waiting. See, it's retesting the previous low now on the 15 minute. Let's check here on the 15 minute. Retesting this low now. But it's still gonna drop all the way down here to 9, even lower, 2899. But yeah, let's wait. Nah, man. Okay. Why is it looking so weird? I set the break here. Retest. It's coming back now. Get ready. Because you can't hesitate whenever when it touches our zone. All come to the entry. Did it go now to 209? No, not 9 yet. 9 is here. Nobody's gonna love me better. Sorry. As you see this here, no? What can price could also just retest this week here. So if you get in around here, when price gets here, remember to bring your stop loss down to 2911. I think I'm gonna open one position right here, and then the other position I'll wait for pullback to come here. So once it hits us here, now I'm gonna get in. Hey, okay, it's coming close. I'm gonna get ready to enter one position quick as soon as it retests this week here. Okay, But I do think price is going to come all the way back to the area where it broke out. It's go. Okay. Okay. I'm in this. I'm in. I'm in that one position. Let us check. Okay, I'm in. That was so damn quick. Let's see. Okay, so since we entered, I'm just waiting for that. I do think it wants to come back here. But my stop loss, I'm moving it now to our entry, basically. Because I do still think this candle wants to come up here. So if it doesn't break here, then our TP is gonna be 2.9 or 4. Let me just. Sorry, I thought I was talking, but I see I was on mute. Okay, so I did re-enter. I set move your stop loss to 2911.6. Um, yeah, let's go. Let's check something here. So that is 16 oops, 10, 20, advanced 20, 20. So that next 15-minute candle just closed now. I see that here, 7:30. So put your stop loss in, put your stop, make sure you have a stop loss in. Pau is Federer Pau. He is speaking currently 7:30. Economic outlook on the University of Chicago Business School monetary policy. I'm not sure how of an impact it will have. Just make sure you protect your capital by having a stop loss if you are in the trade. I'm not gonna hold too long. 2904 is my TP1. I'm gonna take some profits off as soon as it gets to there. I'll take some profits. At least we make something. TP2 is at 2900. I do think it's gonna drop to that area. Let's go. Mm, 6:30. Okay. It's now retesting our entry again. Don't tell me once I pull back to 2911 now. Ah, come on. Damn, 29, I'm just waiting for price to fall this gap here with this week here. It's now 1 minute at this 8 o'clock. Ah, you see how it at 8 how this market soft could go either way. Hopefully that 8 o'clock momentum will push price down now. Gold is dropping. Drop more, drop more. Come on. Our zone is still valid, so I am still confident in the setup. That it would price once to fill that gap and then probably pull back and then it will go to 2900. Still tonight it will close at 2900. Looking from the higher time frame. If it can just break those weeks there. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, it's now at 2907. It should actually drop more. Let me see where the candle closed though. So on the 15 minute, it made a nice wick, and that is still confident in the bearish momentum though. So now you can push your stop loss to that wick there. No, we don't want you to go up. You must come down. Let's go, gold. Let's go now. Let's go. We pulled back twice to our entry. Maybe it wants to touch a third time before it drops, but let's see. Trading is really 80% waiting. This is the part. That's why I'm trading live. Because I want to show the reality of trading. This is the reality. You will sit in a trade like this. You will wait. It will be a drawdown. You will see you up. Can you handle the drawdown and can you handle sitting and seeing your money goes up and down without panicking and following through to your plan? Follow your plan. This is the reality of trading. You will this consolidation. We have no control over it. I don't know how long this consolidation now. But is going to be, but all I know is price wants to drop. When it's going to drop, we don't know. We just have to wait patiently for this to happen. As long as you know where your stop loss is, you know what you are targeting, where you're gonna get out. This is the real reality of trading. It's not as exciting as you when you are first introduced to trading. You see the flashy cars, you want all of that. But this is the real side also of what trading is. And I mean, some people try for a year or so and then they realize this is not for me. I cannot wait for trades to play out. I cannot handle my emotions. And it's okay. There's many other careers out there in businesses, opportunities to pursue. But that's why I'm trading life to show you this is the kind of skill we need to have. No emotion. Even though you feel like, oh my gosh, I want to close. No, set your plan out. You set your plan, you stick to the plan. If the plan doesn't work out, you accept it. Losses doesn't mean you don't know how to trade. Losses just mean you followed your process, but the trade went and hit your stop loss. It's don't we should not over emotional lies losses. Losses you should learn why was it a technical error did you lose because your entry was wrong, or was it because you went into with a bigger lot size and you panicked and you closed prematurely before it even came close to your TP? All of there's many reasons. It could be risk management, your own psychology, your own emotions, or it could just purely be your technicals. I don't know who of you is also watching Euro USD. It's moving now the same as gold. Also varies momentum. 400 and I'm done. And if you cannot handle those type of drawdowns with small accounts and smaller lot size, it's going to be 10 times harder for you when you have a bigger account and you're using bigger lot sizes. It's extremely hard to keep yourself composed when you're using bigger lot sizes and you have to sit in a it's a next type of skill that you must not let your emotions get involved with the trade, with the process of the trade. I can see it's dropping now. Starting to drop now. Oh, that 15-minute candle is looking good. That's beautiful. Oh, why is this looking so weird now? I'm gonna close at $400. Yep. I'm gonna close some profits. It's 500. Whoa, crazy. Crazy, crazy. That was a good trade. I'll pass 8. I'm gonna close the live as well. So I was planning to take my profit yet. As soon as it hits this, you see it's 50 pips, yeah, to yeah, this week, yeah. So it retested this week now. I said TP2 is at 2,900. Do I think it will still go there? Yes, it will probably first now um, pull back. But yeah, this was worth it. Just a long wait. Thank you guys and ladies for tuning into the live. I will close the live at 8:30. Still 10 more minutes. Do I think it will drop to 2,900? Definitely yes. But I'll close the live if it's even before that. If it doesn't, have a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see each other on Monday, God willing. This was a beautiful trade. A long wait, but it was a beautiful trade. It's dropping now. So I'm going to close it at 8:30. I'll end the live now. Thank you for those who's been loyal to the channel. For those who are new, I'm live trading every week except for Wednesday evenings. Monday, I trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you would like to know when I'm going live, make sure you subscribe to my channel and then tune on or turn on your notification bell. Make sure it's not on personalized. Make sure your notifications is on all. Then you will receive my live messages. Yeah, have a good weekend. You are so loyal to the channel. Thank you for watching with us, and thank you for engaging in the comments. I appreciate it. It's nice. It's nice to trade with other people. If I trade alone, it's more stressful. But for some reason, when I trade with a group or with other traders, it's just nice. It's better. It helps with the emotions because I need to keep my composure when I'm on a live trade. And also, I'm learning so much from about myself as well as a trader. So for you guys as well, good luck for the weekend. On Sundays, I normally do my self review. I don't do back testing like I used to in the beginning. But if you're a beginner, you need to back test. So that's also going to be part of my platform. I'm actually going to have how to back test properly in how to journal. You always hear people say you must journal as a trader, as a beginner trader. You must back test, but how to I will also include that in my new platform that is coming out soon. All the best, guys. See you on next week. It's dropping now nicely, eh? You see, it's even now below this week here. So that's giving confidence that it will drop further. So if you check on the 15 minute, whew, here we go. That's why I have a TP1 and a TP2. Because usually I leave runners for TP2. I would take profit at TP1 and then TP2 is for my runner. Okay. 5 more minutes before I end. Let's see, wait for this candle to close and then beautiful. Ah, this was a beautiful trade. I had to wait very long for it, but okay, I'm gonna end the live now. See you guys. See you in the next week. Bye.